Hi guys, today we are working on 2014 Ford C-Max. Customer complained that something drained the battery. Upon arrival, I have noticed the brake lights was on at all times, even when the car was off. So I already knew this car known for the brake switch problems. So I went to the store right away. I purchased this sensor. So I paid like $32 from my account. This is the part number, guys. So it's very easy to replace. Now I'm gonna show you where is the location. So the location is, here is the brakes. Here is the brake pedal. On the left side from the brake pedal, you see, there's that. So you unplug this switch, electrical connection, and then this switch will be taken off by turning clockwise. So you take the electrical connection first and then turn it clockwise and pull, and that's it. This is how to remove and replace the brake switch on the Ford C-Max 2012 through 2019, I believe. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you, and have a good one.